Welcome to English class. Today we are going to start chapter 20 from your book Cornerstone, class 7. The name of the lesson is Transformation of Sentences. You know that there are 4 kinds of sentences. First is assertive sentence, second exclamatory sentence, third imperative sentence, fourth interrogative sentence. And there are 2 kinds of assertive sentences. First is affirmative sentence and second is negative sentence. Now take a look at these sentences. How beautiful is this rose? This is a very beautiful rose. What a great victory. It was a great victory. The first sentence in each pair is an exclamatory sentence. जो दोनों पेयर हमने देखे उसमें जो पहला सेंटेंस है वो exclamatory sentence है. And the second is an assertive sentence. दूसरा जो है वो assertive है. But both the sentences convey the same idea. Same idea means same thought or same views. Meaning is not changed. In other words, we can say with the same meaning, 2 different sentences or 2 different types of sentences are written here. So we see that it is possible to change an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence. इससे ये पता चलता है कि एक exclamatory sentence को आश्चर्यबोधक जो वाक्य है उसको assertive sentence में या simple sentence में change किया जा सकता है. It is also possible to change an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence without altering the meaning. ये भी संभव है कि एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव में चेंज किया जा सकता है बिना उसका मीनिंग बदले. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं हम एग्जाम्पल से. आई वॉज डाउटफुल ऑफ योर सक्सेस एंड इफ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज इट इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस वी हैव टू ऐड नो और नॉट. हाउ वी विल ऐड? आई वॉज नॉट श्योर ऑफ योर सक्सेस. ओके. Now come to the next example. Where there is smoke, there is fire. जहाँ धुआं है वहाँ आग तो होगी. या फिर हम इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं there is no smoke without fire. बिना आग के धुआं नहीं उठता है. We can also change an interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence without changing the meaning. अब हम किसी इंट्रोगेटिव यानी क्वेश्चन वाले सेंटेंस को भी असर्टिव यानी सिंपल सेंटेंस में चेंज कर सकते हैं. देखते हैं एग्जांपल्स. व्हाट इफ आई एम लेट? दिस इज अ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. नाउ हाउ वी विल चेंज इट इन असर्टिव? इट डज नॉट मैटर इफ आई एम लेट. वन मोर एग्जांपल. इज देयर एनी सेंस इन वेटिंग फॉर हिम फॉर 3 hours? This is again interrogative sentence and now we are going to change it in assertive sentence. There is no sense in waiting for him for 3 hours. So this was the explanation. Now let us see exercise also. Change each of these sentences as directed. Let us consider some examples and try to understand it more. First is, who can forget Mahatma Gandhi? We have to change it in assertive sentence. No one can forget Mahatma Gandhi. Next, I wish I were young again. We have to change it in exclamatory. Oh, I wish I were young again. Sentence number 3. Why waste time in this fertile operation? Change in assertive. There is no point in wasting time in this fertile operation. Number 4. How wet and cold you are. This is exclamatory sentence which we are going to change in assertive. You are very cold and wet. Next, number 5. It was possible. This is positive sentence which we will change in negative. It was not impossible. Very simple. Number 6, was he not rude to say this? Change in assertive. He was rude to say this. Number 7, there was no one present who did not applaud. We have to change in affirmative. Everyone present applauded. Number 8, he is too weak to move about. Now, as we go on practicing, we will make new sentences, or it will be more easier for us to frame sentences. Now we have to change it in negative. He is not strong enough to move about. In this the kind of behavior expected of you. Change it into assertive. This is not the kind of behavior expected of you. Very simple. Now again we have exclamatory we have to change in exclamatory sentence. I long for a good book to read. Oh, how I wish I had a good book. Number 12, this can never happen. We have to change in interrogative. Can this ever happen? And we will add question mark. How can I put up with this? Change it in assertive. I cannot put up with this. Number 14, well done, Ray. Change in assertive. You have done very well, Ray. Number 15, I am yearning for a short holiday. Change in exclamatory. Oh, how I long for a short holiday. Next is, shall I ever forgive him? Assertive. Change into assertive. I shall never forgive him. Number 17, none will deny that he is a dignified person. Everyone will agree that he is a dignified person. Means negative sentence here we have changed into affirmative. As soon as he arrived, he began to agree. Now change in negative. No sooner had he arrived, he began to argue. Number 19, we are not here to waste time. Interrogative. Are we here to waste time? And last here, which we have to change in interrogative. You will never forget this wonderful boat ride. Shall I ever forget this wonderful boat ride? So these were some examples. Hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.